Hey Bombshell Beauties, so come with me as I show you how I get the seamless under eye get for all of my clients. I start out by taking a puff and blending out the concealer that I placed on there. This will make sure that all fine lines are out of the under eye and that you are not setting those. You immediately go in with a smaller brush directly underneath your waterline or under eye, and you make sure that you set that so that no fine lines start to form. And then I go ahead and blend that out with my Real Techniques. This is actually a highlighter brush, but we all know we be using that for the under eye concealers and stuff. So I actually like to use mine to apply setting powder. As you can see, I am applying a light amount and blending out what I had just put on. Then I go back and take my puff, and then I put more setting powder and carve out the nose and the under eye and where I want that brightening effect to take place. And I also do that on the other side, as well as blend it into the skin. Like I'm patting it into the skin as I am applying it. You want to make sure you don't miss out on that step because it will prevent it from looking cakey and like sitting on top of the makeup, and you do not want that. This is the look. It looks natural. It lasted her all night. She wanted like a cute little under eye smoky look, and that's what we did.